So when we express each fraction as a percent, we always make it out of 100. How many times does 4 go into 100? 25. 25 times 1 is 25. Same thing here. Out of 100. How many times does 5 go into 100? 20. So 20 times 2 is 40. So 40%. Do the rest on your own and see what you get. Here are the answers right here. Check them off, pause it. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with the numerator above 100, except instead of multiplying, we're going to be dividing. So 200 children are at a concert. 98 of them are boys. What percent of the children are boys? So you're going to change it to 100 because percent is always out of 100. So instead of multiplying, I divided by 2. So you're going to divide 98 by 2 and get 49. 49%. So practice the rest of these, and I'll do this one with you or for you, and then you'll do the rest on your own. So I divided by 2, divide 8 by 2, 4, so 4%. Go ahead and complete these. The answers will be next. And here are the answers. Pause it and check them.